Hello everyone, myself Professor Hardik Prajapati. I warmly welcome to you from Srivsha College of Commerce, Management and Computer Education. There is the managed by the Jain Citizens Education Society. Here we starts an initiative of online teaching 2020 to 2021. Today our subject is that communication skill and business writing in English in the department BBA SEM-1. So let us start our first lecture with the best wishes for this new semester 1. First of all, let me introduce myself Professor Hardik Prajapati. I have so much experience in this department. So I have last 5 years teaching in different types of colleges, schools and classes. So here we are, our subject is that CS and business writing in English. The CS means the communication skill and the business writing in this English. Okay, so let us start with our syllabus or introduce our subject. So, first of all, we start with the syllabus. Our syllabus are divided in four main points. The first point is that the communications. The second is the interview skill. The third division is that the grammar sessions. And the fourth session is that the business writing. So, we starts with the communications. So, what is the communications? So, in this sessions, we are study about the different types of communication skill and barrier of communications and how to communicate the company, one company to another company or single person to in or a group of persons. Okay. So, in this sessions, we are studied all the communication fundamentals. So next we talk about the interview skill. In this interview skill, we are studied about the how to create your CV or resume. There will be a most important in our career. So in this sessions, we are studied about the how to create your CV or resume, your curriculum vitae and your resume are created how is the impressive or attractive. All the factors are affecting in the biodata. There is the different types of subtopic are understand in this sessions. Okay, next we talk about the third point is that the grammar. In the grammar session we are talk about tenses and prepositions. There is that all the 12 tenses are studied in these sessions and all the prepositions are studied in these sessions. And here is we are also study the one topic, new add topic is that the homophones. The in these sessions we are studied about the new topic is also is homophones. Okay, the fourth session is at the business writing. So what is the business writing? How to write a business letter, how to write a formal letter and how to write a informal letter. All the question or answer is given or studied in these sessions. Okay, you I hope you are understand what I am saying in this all for the sessions. Okay, so now we next we study about the in deeply what is the our subject and what is the objective or our subject. Okay, so let us start with the individual or separative the sessions of these four. Okay, chalo. Our first session is that in this subject is that the first is communication. The communication is the our first separated part of the CS and business writing skill subject. Okay, in this session we are study about the introduction of communication, how to introduce, what is the channel, what is the speaker, what is the listener, what is the different types of media, on what is the information share or the different types of video, audio, yeah, data information transferred from sender to receiver. In all the topic are we studied in this lecture. Okay, chalo next बात करिए. The second is that the types of communication. What types of communication are in this session? There is the two types of communication we studied in next lecture. Okay, and third session is that in first session and third topic is that the communication network. What is the communication network? How to communicate with one company to another company, one person to another person, one person to group of person. Okay, all the network is most powerful, and how network is the, what is the value of network in communication, all the topic studied in will be the next lecture. And fourth point is that the barriers of communication. If we are talk about one person talk about a single person A is talking with the person B, there is the some barrier are created, all the information doesn't share. So what is the different types of barrier, and what is the different types of barrier are created the in communication or not a proper communication are gap created. So barrier is most IMP topic are subject. There will be asked in all university examinations, all the university examinations last 2 years. Okay, so we most focus in this topic number 4, the barrier of communications. And the topic number 5, we are talking about the remedies of communication. And what is the remedies for communication? First is the fourth point is that the barrier of communication. We know that the barrier, then we are also know the remedies of communication, what types of problem should be done in the communication, so how to overcome this problem. Okay, so this is the remedies of communication. So we are all the remedies will be study in next lecture. Okay, so here is the first session is that the communication and how to communicate with the other, and most IMP topic is that fourth number, the barrier of communication. This is the last two examination, university examination will ask in, and in future 2021 will ask 100% the barrier of communication in 7 marks. Okay, so now we let us start with the second sessions or second separated topic. Our second session is that the interview skill or separated topic. This is the second. What is the interview skill? The first topic is that how to prepare presentation. In this session we are studied about the how to prepare presentation. Some people or some student are not clearly about the presentation, so that is not get a good marks. So the some other people or other students get a very good presentation, and then that will be get a maximum marks in the examination and in the job. So the first is that how to prepare presentation is in this topic. Okay, we are studied in this next lecture or in future lecture. Second is that the strategies of presentation. What is the strategy used to get a attractive presentations? So in this lecture we are study about the strategies of different types of strategies of presentation and how to create the attractive presentation, and like all the our presentations, and what is the attitude, what is the hand flow, and what is the our face expression are must be in these strategies. Okay, and third point is that the tips for interview. What is the tips for interview? Whenever you go for interview, what type of your attitude, what type, what should what will be you create a positive impact, and how to wear a best cloth, and how to wear your how to speak your best speeches or positive speeches. This is all the tips for interview. Then in the future lecture we have studied about this topic. The third point is that tips for interview. Okay, chalo, second session is that completed in an overview. Here we are overview of our subjects. Okay, so next is our third session is that the grammar session. In this session we are our starting with the tense. So you already know the 12th tenses. So in this same as the 12th tense, but in this the examination you will be prepared for the blank. Here we are not a sentence form will be asked in your university examination, but university examination will ask you in a examination the fill the blank of different types of tenses. Okay, second is that the prepositions. We know about the prepositions. Okay, so all the prepositions will be asked in university examination in the fill in the blank form. Okay, and third is the homophones. And different this is the new topic or additional topic in this lecture or in this syllabus. So this is the most important topic will be studied in this homophones. Okay, this is the third session of our subject. And now we let us start with the fourth session of our subject. Our fourth session is that the business writing. The first is the what is the business writing. First of all, I have already told you the business writing is how to write a business letter, and how to write a formal letter, and how to write an informal letter. When one friend writes letter for another friend, this is called as a informal letter. But whenever the one company will be writes to another company, there will be a business letter. Okay, this is the difference between informal or formal, or business or informal letter. Okay, in the business letter there is the no emotion and no expression are required, but whenever informal letter is the required for emotions, and happiness or sadness are different types of emotions. So first topic is that the tips for resume. We already talk about this topic. Okay, sorry. And third second topic is that the drafting agenda and notice. This is the most important topic. This topic will be asked in university examination 20 to 21. Okay, this examination will be so 100% will be asked in your examination. This topic is most important, most very most IMP topic is the drafting agenda. These questions are agenda, and this is the what is the agenda. Whenever we are study about or we are talk about the meeting, before meeting some circular are circulate in the office or staff. This is the circular, this is called as a circular. But what is the agenda? The agenda means that what is the main topic or important topic are covered in this meeting. This is before the meeting created by or single person or management. This is called as a agenda. And second is the notice. The notice form is the fourth step of meeting. Like a first step is the circular, second step is the agenda, third step is the meeting, and fourth step is the notice. So the notice will be given by fourth stage. The notice will be given by after the meeting. So notice is circulated the different types of people. Okay, in the meeting or staff or students. Okay, we are know about in this lecture or in future lecture. Okay, now we talk about our mark division or distribution. What is the mark division or distribution? Our mark will be divided by 2 points. Two form. First form is that 70 marks and second form is that 30 marks. The 70 marks is given by 4 separated topics. The previous slides we are studied about the 4 sessions of the subject or book. This will be asked in university examination. 70 marks examination in university Saurashtra University. Okay, but the 30 marks given by our college level, the 30 marks is like given by your internal examination and your assignment. So in the future we are given to you assignment and internal examination are conducted in the future. So your internal marks is given by your assignment or internal examination, and your 70 marks will be you are able for the university examination and how to maximum mark cover from the written test or written examination by university examination of Saurashtra. Okay, so here we are complete or our video or mark distribution. Okay, here our video are completed, so I hope that you will be understand the main function of the subject and what subject requires from you. So we will be ready for the next level of examination and next stages of your life. Okay, so now blessing for your future and best of luck for your next stage of life. Thank you very much.